Welcome to our channel. We are celebrating Teachers' Day, a special occasion dedicated to honoring the invaluable contributions of teachers around the world. In this video, we'll explore the significance, history, and various ways to celebrate this important day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on different dates around the world, but in India, it is observed on 5th September, marking the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the second President of India and a renowned philosopher and educator. This day serves as a reminder of the crucial role teachers play in shaping the future of students and society. The idea of celebrating Teachers' Day was initiated by Dr. Radhakrishnan himself. When he became the President of India, some of his students approached him with the request to celebrate his birthday. He suggested that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be more meaningful to celebrate the contributions of all teachers. Thus, 5th September was officially designated as Teachers' Day in India in 1962. Teachers' Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm across schools and colleges. Students organize various activities such as cultural programs, speeches, and performances to express their gratitude. Many students also present gifts, cards, and flowers to their teachers as tokens of appreciation. Special assemblies are held, where students share their thoughts on the importance of education and the impact teachers have on their lives. Teachers play a pivotal role in shaping not only the academic lives of students but also their character and values. They inspire, motivate, and guide students to achieve their goals. A good teacher instills a love for learning and encourages critical thinking, helping students develop into well-rounded individuals. Their influence extends beyond the classroom, impacting society as a whole. While India celebrates Teachers' Day on 5th September, other countries have their own designated days. For instance, World Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th October, established by UNESCO in 1994 to recognize the contributions of teachers globally. This day emphasizes the importance of quality education and the need for support and respect for teachers. Teachers' Day is a wonderful opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work and dedication of teachers. It reminds us of the profound impact they have on our lives and society. Whether through a simple thank you note or a grand celebration, expressing gratitude to teachers is essential. How do you celebrate Teachers' Day? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's continue to honor our teachers every day. See you next time. Happy Teachers' Day to all the incredible educators out there.